Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using 3 beautiful colors from Lift Your Spirit Dips. So the first color here is called Electric Static, and it's a beautiful fine silver glitter, but yet it has chunky glitter in here, and the chunky glitters pull like deep teal and purple. The next color here is called the Calm, and it is a beautiful neutral color, but yet it has a slight tint of purple to it with gold hues, and it also has gold shimmer in it, and it's super pretty. And this dip can also be chromed as well, and I like that it's more of a neutral color. And then the last color we're going to be using is called the Surge, and it is a beautiful gray purple undertone, and it also has gold shimmer in it, and it's super pretty. And yes, this one can be chromed as well, and we are going to be chroming a nail today using the Surge. So we're not just going to stop at the chroming the nail, we're also going to do an accent nail with these cute decals, and they have little feathers on them, and we are going to be doing the gel method for today's mani. So for the start of the mani, I am going to do my thumb first. When I am working with chunky glitters, I do prefer to do my thumbnail first, just so then when I'm doing my other nails, I don't bump my thumb and mess up those chunky glitters. I just want to make sure that those chunky glitters are laying super flat and perfect, so I like to do my thumb first. Also, you will notice when we are dipping into these beautiful colors, I am getting the vibe of Roaring 20s, and especially when you add the feather. So I definitely think these colors are super pretty together, and it was just giving me those beautiful Roaring 20 vibes. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit.
All I want
Alright, so we're just finishing up this mani here. I'm going to go in with a lint-free alcohol wipe. This is going to help remove that extra chrome that we have there on the nail. And then it's going to be clean and crisp. And look at that. I love the chrome nail and I like these feather decals. I think it ties the mani in perfectly. And it just screams Roaring 20s. And I really enjoy this mani so much. So I'm going to go ahead and link everything listed below. And if you haven't checked out Lift Your Spirit Dips, definitely go over and check her out. Crazy Circus Trio just was released last week and it's amazing. So I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!